This dictation material has been obtained from newspaper Para 22. Dr. Abdul Salam was a multidimensional individual, and so is his legacy. Full stop. His scientific contribution remains influential even today. Full stop. His contribution and prediction for Higgs boson particle discovery that earned Nobel Prize for Physics this year is well recognized by the scientists. Full stop. However, his achievements in the fields other than sciences and sometimes in the consideration contrasting to sciences are equally fascinating and motivating. Full stop. Thus, we have all the reasons to remember this role model more often than on birth and death anniversaries. Full stop. Most of us are aware of traditional conflict between faith and reason and religion and science. Full stop. Our general view is that these streams cannot go hand in hand. Full stop. They are rather seen as opposing each other, sometimes deemed fatal to each other's growth. Full stop. He successfully busted this myth and established reconciliation between the two by achieving the heights of excellence in mathematics and physics while retaining deep connections with faith and religion. Full stop. He rather proved both supporting each other. Full stop. From him, Holy Quran and his firm belief in unity of Allah were his biggest guiding principles in widening his vision of scientific inquiry. Full stop. He understood meanings of Holy Quran and found it great source of guidance and motivation for his scientific work. Full stop. He made huge efforts to introduce to the world the often forgotten intellectual side of the Holy Quran. Full stop. He tried to make people aware of Holy Quran's injunctions for quest for knowledge, a book not in conflict with reason, but one that is truly compatible with reason, knowledge, scientific thinking, and the one that guides people to avoid conflict on earth. Full stop. He stated many times and proved through his works that he derived motivation for scientific achievements by reading and contemplating on the verses of Holy Quran. Full stop. He stated the Holy Quran enjoins us to reflect on the varieties of Allah's created laws of nature. Full stop. During his acceptance speech for the 1979 Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on unification of weak electromagnetic forces, he quoted the verses from the Holy Quran. Full stop. Scientific achievements of his are well known and well acknowledged around the world. Full stop. He is no longer physically present in this world, but his living legacy in the form of what he achieved in the scientific and non-scientific spheres and the institutions. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore, as well as Principal, Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shahadra.